Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a supreme way of drawing your eyeliner with tape. I know you've tried the regular putting tape by the side of your eye and it didn't work.
I know that's right.
But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use tape to get both eyeliners to look exactly the same length, sharp edges, and it's really easy, beginner friendly. Anybody can do it, even your cat. If you're interested, then let's just jump right in. But you're not going to watch my video if you're not subscribed to my channel. So make sure you click the subscribe button anywhere you see it. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all my socials, and let's just jump into the video.
Summer floating over my heart. We're both dancing over the dark side. I don't know who you are, you are.
So I'm going to take off these hoops, bring you guys close, and let's start. So I know half of my makeup is going to go with this tape, but I don't care. As far as my eyeliners are looking alike. First thing you need to do is get yourself a tape. You can use a masking tape, you can use paper tape, anyone. I know say you should go and use duct tape. You're not a serial killer, please. So first things first, you actually roll out a huge amount that can go across your face. The goal of getting your eyeliner to be exactly the same is when you are placing this on your face, make sure you're placing it at an angle where both of them are at the same angle. So from underneath your nose to the side of your eyes. So first you place it underneath your nose like this, and then you take it up. When you are placing it beside your eyes, make sure you open your eyes so that the tape can actually get in between like this. So now you are seeing this angle. You want to make sure this one is also at the same angle. Look and make sure they are the same angle. If they are not the same, you can easily just take it out and then place it again to make sure they are at the same angle. I literally can't talk so well because my nose is blocked and I'm trying to breathe with my mouth and also talk with my mouth. God help me. Then you take another, you cut tape again. I think this much is okay. You literally share it into two equal parts. Then you place it down. This is where you try and form the wig. So you have to make sure that whatever you do in this side, repeat it in this side. Like they have to look alike. I literally can't breathe. I can't breathe. So you close your eyes. You have to close one, which is the one you are applying, and open the other one to see. So all you need for this tape right now is just to get the wig. I think to do like the connection here, anybody can do it. So all you have to do is just get the wig. You see how this opening is? You're going to repeat it. So look at this side and make sure you do the same thing. Like I said, close the one that is not being used. After you place it, look at both of them. Are they the same? If they are not, you literally have to take it out and put it in again. This is something that you have not really practiced, you have not really gotten it. I suggest that you do this before you apply your makeup, because I know once I'm taking out this tip, my highlighter is going with it. Literally, you take your eyeliner and just paint the parts where you have to. Just paint only the part of the wig. Don't bother connecting it. So yeah, just the part of the wig. I guess half of my makeup has gone with this tape, including my brows. Oh, Jesus. Half of my makeup has gone with the tape. But is this giving or it's not? Is it winging or it's not? Don't, nobody should tell me anything. So from this point, you can literally just like connect it to the beginning of your face. So it shouldn't be that hard. See this? It's so sharp it could cut me, but as you can see the line of the tape is in my face, so I'm just going to apply powder, fix lashes and come back. So I applied powder, applied my lashes, did my lip, reapplied my highlights. The line is still there. I would suggest that if you are doing this hack, you should do it before you set your face with powder, like after you have applied your foundation, your concealer, or you do it before applying any makeup to avoid that line. But is the liner giving? Is the wing winging? Like, you can't tell me you're not seeing it. And it was so easy. They both look alike. Who told you that your eyeliners cannot be twins? They can only be sisters. Well, these two, they are twins. Motherfucking twins. Antoinette and Antonia. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy it. If you try it, please comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on TikTok. The rest part of this look was done on TikTok. Yeah. I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.